Sandcrawler. And I do believe this is made with the vintage Kenner It's Fun stickers, which they stopped making about 2 years before this box came through. And it is from Kenner Products, a division of CPG Products Corporation, Highland Avenue, Cincinnati, Ohio. The person that it's to is kind of a special to address. It is to George W. Lucas Jr. of Lucasfilm Limited. So this is to George himself in a pretty darn good old box. Somebody want to display that for me?
Wow.
All right, what do you give on it? Hold me $20 here. Hold me 20, now 30, now 40, now 50, now I got $50 here, now 60, now 70, now 80, now 90, now 100, now 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, now 200, now 2 1/4, now 2 1/2. Now 2 1/2, now 275, now 300, now 3 1/4, now 3 1/2, now 375, now 400, now 4 1/4, now 4 1/2. 4 1/2, now 475, 500, 525, 525, now 5 1/2, 5 1/2, 575, 600, now 6 1/2, now 700, now 7 1/2, now 800, now 8 1/2, now 900, now 9 1/2, now $1,000. $1,000. This is my last man standing at $1,000. $975. Let's back it up to $975. I lost you both at $950, now $975. $960. I got him at $960. Are we all done? $960? Give him a big hand, $960. From George Lucas's house to yours. There you go. $960 on the Jawa Sandcrawler box. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for everything you've done for Make-A-Wish. Thank you for coming in a C4. I keep saying say C5, kind of give it a 5 sign when you walk out of here, because I'd love to do it again. Give yourselves a big hand. You know, none of this would be possible without the fans, the people that share that love of the movies, and I don't know, just fun. May the force be with you and have some fun joys. Thanks again, guys. Have a good night.